Okay, the question for today is, when counting by fives, which number comes after each of the following numbers? A, 45. So what number comes after that when you're counting by fives? B, 70. What comes after 70 when you're counting by fives? Or C, 15. What number comes after that when you're counting by fives? So what I want you to do is cut it out like you know how to do, glue it in, and then when you write your answers, I want you to write A, 45, and then a blank, and you're gonna put the answer, okay? B, 70, and then the answer. C, 15, and the answer. And then once you get the answer in there, I want you to block it, okay? I'm not gonna give away the answer because I know you're smart enough to know it, but that's how I want it to look, okay, in your journal. Great. The next thing in your packet is counting by twos. So we should already know this is skip counting, and we're gonna count by twos from 2 to 100. Okay, and this is for your interactive notebook, so we'll go ahead and cut everything out. So we're gonna keep these as strips just so that they're easier to hold on to. If you make them too small, you'll lose them. Okay, obviously those aren't all the numbers for counting by twos, so we have a little puzzle to fill out, don't we? So let's turn them all around and put them in order. Do you have yours in order? Let's see. On the left side, is it 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, and 92? If so, yay, you put it in order correctly. And what do we notice? There's a pattern there, isn't there? The first column on the left all ends in twos when you're counting by twos. So that's awesome. Okay, let's start counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. What's missing? 14, 1, 4, 16, 18, 20. Okay, so put a 1, 4. And especially if you have it like in a black marker, that's even better. I'm gonna fix mine later. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. What comes next? Can you guess? 28, 2, 8. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. We're missing one. What is it? Is it 36? 3, 6? I believe it is. All right. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 4, 4. Okay, be sure and write in 4, 4, 44. 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56. That's right, it's missing 58. And you should see some patterns here as we go. I hope you guys see that, like, in this column, everything ends in an 8. In this column, everything ends in a 6. In this column, everything ends in a 4. So it makes it really easy when we're missing numbers to just look above it too. Like, not only are you counting by twos, but then you can see the pattern and that helps you. So see if we go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 64. We know that that is 64 because it's 2 more after 62, it's 2 before 66, and if you put it in line, all these end in 4. Okay? So 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74. Guys, it's 76. That's not a great 6, sorry. 7, 6 makes 76. So 72, 74, 76, 78, 80. 82. We're missing something after 82. What is it? 84, 84. Okay. 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96. Last one. 98, 98. Be sure and put 98 in there. So now let's count by twos from 2 to 100, okay? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Guys, you just counted by twos to 100. That is amazing. We are going to glue in our skip counting, and then we're going to do this the same way we did the 5s and 10s. We're going to hold it upside down like a house. Just glue like where you see that dotted line, except for down at the bottom. Leave that open, and I'm going to put it pretty low down here. But what you're going to do is let it dry, and then you're going to pick up your twos in order, or you can mix them up, and that's even more of a fun game. If you mix them up and then try to put them in order later when you're counting by twos, that's fun. All right, once you get them all together, and once this is dry, I would see, mine's not dry. I'd really wait till it's dry. You're just going to stick them in here, okay? But I wouldn't do it until they're dry.